me, Mikey Pipes. Scoping out a job for an oil to gas conversion? Let's check out this Weil McLain steam boiler. It's getting replaced with the Burnham SteamMax. Brand new model SteamMax. Got a great improved heat exchanger. No leakers. All right, Weil McLain Gold. We have a yellow burner right there for all you Earl guys. This is going in the garbage. Basura. No bueno. Look at that. No bueno. A lot of cocky right there. But let's look at a couple things. Number one, what the hell is going on with this pigtail? Is it coming out of its rear end? Straight out the back? That is not equalizing anything. I mean, not equalizing. That is not keeping latent heat off the pressure control, that's for sure. Damn it. And glass is missing off the pressure gauge. So coming out of the top, 3-inch is sized down to 2-inch right away. We come up, we have an elbow, come across, we have a first main going that way, another main going this way. This is our equalizer, drops down. That would be our Hartford loop. We have one dry return here, 1.25 inches, and another one there. We have a 40,000 BTU gas-fired water heater by Bradford White, which is going to remain. I don't know what's up with this flue, though. This flue is very suspect. Very suspect. You got a chimney lighter in there?
Yeah.
Stainless steel chimney lighter?
Mm-hmm.
Let's take a peek. He says, yeah.
It's hard to see, but it's
Okay.
stainless steel.
All right. Because we need to have that. Stainless steel lining. All right. And let's just check, make sure that our relief valve, at least until we come back and do it, which is next week, is 15 PSI. Yep. Can't see it, but 15 PSI right there. All right, we're going to have to run some new gas piping from the meter. Let's go check out the meter. Here's our meter. Got a 250. Perfect. It looks like they just have that water heater on there, maybe the stove. So we have plenty of BTUs to add that 100,000 BTU SteamMax. We're going to take out this 90 and we're going to make this a 1 by 3/4 by 3/4 T. And then we're going to use the Mega Press steam piping to come across here. All right, bust through this wall and then feed the boiler. And we're going to feed the boiler. We're going to feed it with 1 inch, but we're going to use our gas piping sizing chart to make sure our distance is good enough for the BTU.
So it goes all the way down.
So you got a liner there. Okay. And then they must have 2 T's there, but just one observation. And again, this is for your own protection. You see this flue pipe right here?
Mm-hmm.
See how it's touching the sheetrock?
No good.
And what is, I don't even know what is that, but no good. Because the sheetrock is, I wouldn't say it's flammable, but it can burn, and this could get hot. So they need to make this exposed.
So I'll cut it out then?
Yeah, cut this out, or you got to use B-vent.
Okay.
Which is double wall flue pipe, and that way they heat, because when the water heat is on, you can't touch this.
Correct.
Like MCM, you can't touch this. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Right?
I'll cut it out, don't worry.
Okay, make sure you do that.
Definitely.
Cocaine.
It's fine.
All right, Weil McLain. There it is. There's that CP number. All right, so you ready to finally convert from oil to gas?
Absolutely.
All right, and how much are you spending now, approximately, you think, on your oil bill on a monthly basis?
$550 around there.
Wow, a month during the winter.
Yeah, during the winter.
And in the summertime, probably nothing, right?
Nothing.
Nothing. They fill up probably March, April, and then you're good until.
It's probably like 5 months out of the year.
So 5 months. So 5 times 5. So you're paying roughly $2,500, $3,000 a year in oil.
Yep.
Now, if I told you that's probably gonna be cut in half, how would you feel?
Feel amazing.
Would you blow me?
No. I get somebody to blow you.
Oh, even better. Even better. All right, guys, so stay tuned. By this time next week, we got a special incoming delivery from US Boiler. We have their brand new SteamMax 100. It's a great, great boiler. I'm going to throw some little information at the end of this video about it. So you make sure you don't miss that video. Epic, epic, epic. And remember, check out the links down in the description box down below. I need your support to fight Navien. We need more presence. If you work on their systems and you see the failures that I've been documenting for the past couple years, email me those videos, those pictures, Mike@MikeyPipes.com, and we're going to upload them to Navien Leaks channel on YouTube. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Check out this little clip on the US Boiler SteamMax. All right, let's take a look at the new US Boiler SteamMax by Burnham. There it is, brand new model. Beautiful, beautiful machine. Who's hollering at me? Always, even on a Sunday. All right, back to our originally scheduled program. Gentleman was just calling me back. He's got a steam system in Queens. Got banging sounds. Got water spitting out of the radiators. Sounds like it got a clogged wet return. Nonetheless, we're talking about the Burnham SteamMax. Check this bad boy out. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. It's got the steam tappings on top, and they're right where they need to be on the left and right hand side, so you can hook up an indirect water heater, bottom zone. 10-year warranty on all residential models under 300,000 BTUs. They have an improved heat exchanger. It's nice. Check it out. Look at this, all the fine print right here, right? Check this out. All this good stuff, right? And all the sizes. So there are 2 3-section boilers. One is 75,000, the other is 100,000 BTUs. There are 2 4-section boilers. One for 125, one for 150. These are inputs, by the way, not gross outputs. All right, there's a chart right there. Very, very nice. I'm actually putting one in for this gentleman here. Very, 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 very nice guy. We actually put in a Fujitsu ductless mini split system. I think it was a triple zone. He actually got us a scissor lift. When I was with Godzilla, we did that. Nice, nice job. This job's going to come out tits. Check this out, guys. I'll put a link down in the description box down below for a SteamMax boiler. All right, guys. And real quick, if you any of you guys work on Navien systems, you see what I'm seeing, take them videos. Take them videos, take them pictures, email me, Mike@MikeyPipes.com. I need the city and state where it's located and model number. I don't necessarily need the serial number. If you want to provide that, it's fine. If you're taking a video, be respectful of the customer's privacy. But again, the more people that are aware of this problem, the more impact we will have in making them admit that there's a problem and a recall. Because that's the goal here. The goal here is that for Navien to stop with the nonsense and just issue a mass recall for about 4 or 5 million units and own up to it and then move on. Ford had a problem with their SUVs rolling over, right? And they denied until they had to. And same thing's going to be with Navien. So also you can check down in the description box down below, right here, right? So you could tell Navien's attorneys about these issues as well. Talk to Brian Kusid. He's the guy at K&L Gates. And then the Kenneth Chung. He is Navien's, direct, counsel. They're over there in Irvine, California. Give them a call. Send them an email and tell them. Send them the pictures as well. Send them the pictures. Make them aware that it's not good. It's not good. All right, guys. Hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend. Be well. God bless. Stay safe.